Alright guys, what's up here? Farm Boys and Broken Toys. On our last video where we ran over the Gravedigger with the quad, it's not quite broken yet, so we're gonna throw a hammer. 1, 2, 3, Taco's live stream! Okay, it didn't do much. Maybe I have to say, Taco live stream. Taco's live stream! I lost a slide, that was so insane. Alright, we're just gonna keep doing it. Just keep doing it until I just say a bunch of tacos. There goes your engine. Don't get my slide. It's broken. Where's my hammer? Hammer. Let's break it away from the body. I'm a killer. Why can't it go through it? Yeah, it's gonna die today. And